what's up? I know I haven't uploaded in a week because I didn't bring my MacBook, so it's hard to edit footage, export, switch between SD cards. But anyways, last night I just finished editing photos from day 3 when we went to Yucha Canyon. It's in Shaanxi. If you've been there, definitely do leave a comment. It's as good as Antelope Canyon, so it actually gets better the further in you go. So all the footage I'll be showing you is unedited. It's just taken from the camera. I haven't put it through Lightroom. But if you want to check photos like these that I put in Lightroom, just follow my Instagram. I'll also show you the numbers on how I took them, like shutter speed, all that. So I'll show you the footage right now, and please watch to the end. It actually gets better, like the further in it goes. So I didn't have that much video, mostly it's photo edited with GoPro Quik. Let's throw the footage, go.